One of the areas we're really interested in at the moment is understanding and targeting mechanisms that control the infection, but on the other hand, that are also important in regulating the inflammation that normally comes with infections. So we have to try to improve the control of the pathogen by the immune system, but on the other hand, we would like to also lower that inflammation that can potentially be harmful. And one of the pathways we're currently investigating seems to achieve both. So we inhibit that pathway, we improve the control of pathogenic bacteria. On the other hand, we control potentially harmful inflammation. If we can confirm this in our model systems, we might be able to take some of these ideas into potential novel treatment options in the future. So we're particularly interested in two infectious diseases. One is tuberculosis, which remains one of the major infectious diseases worldwide that kills about 1.5 million people every year. And here we are really trying to understand how the immune system recognizes the bacteria and what is required to control the infection, and how we might be able to aid the immune system to better control the bacteria that cause a chronic infection in men. The other disease we're interested in is sepsis, which is a severe infection that comes with severe inflammation, and that can be caused by different types of bacteria. But altogether, we really need to find ways to supplement our antibiotic treatments at the moment that are very useful, but they don't control the inflammation very well, and the inflammation is very harmful, or can be very harmful in sepsis, and that is where we are trying to help the immune system to control the inflammation, but also potentially improve the control of bacteria. If you consider that we know that we are continuously discovering that bacterial pathogens become resistant to the antibiotics that we have to date, and while we develop or identify new antibiotics, or we try to identify new antibiotics, we will always find pathogens that become resistant to these. So with supporting our immune system and our natural defense, we might actually be able to complement our traditional anti-infective therapies in the future.